Dollar store acrylic pour challenge for under 20 bucks. Let's go. So here at the Dollar Tree, getting some glue to mix with our paint. Get some paint, obviously. Really cool colors. Gold, sparkles, white. We're gonna get some blue and some pink, obviously. Orange, good color combo. Now we got some stir sticks here that we can stir up. These would be really cute to pour over if you have kids. Pineapples, whatever that is, star. Dinosaurs would be fun. Cute, cute. Oh, giraffe. You might need some sparkle glitter to put over yours. We need these cups, this strainer, some dish soap, and we head to Michael's because they were out of canvas. Okay, so we're back in the studio. I'm adding half an ounce of paint and half an ounce of glue with some water. I'm gonna stir in as much water as you needed to make it look like cheese dip, about that consistency. And then you're gonna take all of your colors and pour them into one cup. Add some white, some blue, some orange. We're gonna take that cup and we're gonna flip it on top of the canvas. Give it about 30 seconds, tap it down, and then you're gonna take the cup up and there are your colors. Swirl it around and cover the canvas till it's pretty. Take your straw if you want and blow it out, or you can blow it out with your mouth. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.